Hey everyone, my name is Abhishek and you are watching Studytonight's YouTube channel. This being my first video, I would like to start by thanking you all for the love and support that you have shown towards Studytonight in the past few years, and we expect the same in the coming years as well. Studytonight started as a classroom project and has now grown into a website which serves thousands of students every day worldwide. While the journey has been great, it's now time to let go of the accomplishments and work towards building the future. And that is where YouTube fits in. Frankly speaking, I was a bit confused about YouTube because I'm not a very big fan of being a part of a video or for teaching, but somehow everybody say that when I explain anything, they tend to understand it better. Now I don't know whether they say it just to pull my leg or they're serious, but then I thought, what's the harm in trying? We have planned a lot of new stuff for YouTube, which we will start to roll out very soon, which includes podcasts where we will discuss something new and interesting every time, then videos for skill development, and of course, we will work on data structures videos too. Everyone has been requesting that since forever. We will also work on your suggestions as and when you send them to us. While we work on these new things, we are also working on improving our existing tutorials on our website and working on the Android app. Our app has already crossed 50k downloads and we will soon have an update out for it. It's almost ready and we're just testing it for bugs right now. So that's all. It was a pleasure talking to you all. Hope to see you again soon. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do it now because a lot of new stuff is coming.